Okay, welcome to J&S Commercial Van Sales Limited. This one is the Ford Transit. It's the L3 long wheelbase, medium roof. It's the new Euro 6 engine, 66 reg, 2 litre, 130 brake horsepower, long wheelbase, medium roof. It's been a one lease owner from new. We've got a choice of these in stock at the moment, free available, 85,000 miles. Still under Ford warranty until September this year. It's 10995 plus VAT. Nice spec on these vans, upgraded wheel covers, all good tyres, air conditioning, Euro 6 engines. We've also got the security locks fitted. I'll give you a walk round. Tyres are like new on the front of the vehicle. Nice and clean, ply lined in the back. Cloth seats, armrest, Bluetooth, multi-function steering wheel. You've got the air conditioning there also. There's the air conditioning there. Overmats fitted. Storage under this seat. We've got all the booklets and the inflation kit there. Spare keys, chub keys. You've got your security locks there. Security locks on the rear door. Twin rear doors, high level brake light. There's the spare keys there. Come with the free JS Vans mega warranty offer at the screen price. Part exchange is welcome. Car or van, we're fully FCA approved van dealer, been in the trade over 30 years. We've got over 120 vehicles on site at the moment. Prices to suit all pockets. Anything you'd like to discuss, just drop us an email or give us a call. We're open 7 days a week. Thanks for watching the video.